hello, hi. I'm not even gonna turn my lights on. I just came from an appointment, a doctor's appointment, and I have work in about, I don't know, 40 minutes, so I just wanted to think this out. I got a giveaway, like I want a giveaway, and I wanted to open it up because it's heavy. Also, hi, if you're new here. Hi, my name is Nikki. I like fun, colorful makeup, and this is my IntroAide, so hi, hello. Let's open this son of a bitch up. Y'all, my God, this thing is fucking full. Holy shit. Okay, we have these Kiss magnetic lashes here. Ooh. This is a liquid matte lip set. Also, I don't know if I explained that. There's a huge chance that I'm moving at some point soon, and I kind of just started packing that up, which was a stupid idea. But this is the lip set. I'll swatch it, why not? Also, if I look like I'm sweaty as balls, it's because I am. I walked to and from that appointment. So this is what the lip product looks like. It reminds me a lot of the Kylie Jenner one, like the first Kylie Jenner lip kit. But that's so pretty. There's so much in here, you guys. This is the Beyond mascara from Benefit. It looks like this. Kaja lip blush glaze keychain stain. So this can go on my purse. Oh, it's so cute. Can you see the little... Wow, I didn't know my camera could do that. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I'm actually gonna attach that to my purse at some point. This is in the shade Peach Frizz, so I'm guessing... Oh, fuck it, I'll swatch it. It looks like... Oh, it's so cute. It looks like that. I'm so putting that on my purse. But I think I also need a new purse. So I'm just like, do I put it on there yet? Do I just get a new one? Also, because I look like a ratchet hot mess right now, I'm just gonna take a picture from some other stupid video that I've done and put that as in the thumbnail. This is the Tarantula Mascara by Apple Doll. Volumizing and lengthening mascara. Well, we're not really gonna dig into the mascaras because, like, it's mascara. Who really gives a crap? They all look the same. So we're gonna go through all the other things. This is an Impress manicure set, which is so cute. I'm running out of space already, so let's move this over. This is the Skin Proud Sleep Hero Overnight Sleep Mask. Oh, there's more skin stuff here. This is a Detox Tonic Daily Exfoliating Tonic. I am not really into skincare, but I feel like this is going to push me into it. I'm really happy about that. This is the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. This is going to help me so much because every single time that I... Shit. that I use my liner, like my... Not my liner, my lash glue, it just explodes. This is the Skin Proud Sorbet Skin Everyday Jelly Moisturizer. I use the e.l.f. one all the time, so that will be fun. This is like a whole set of the Skin Proud stuff, my goodness. This is the Unplug Pore Detox Clay Mask. I think with all this skincare stuff, I'm gonna have to do a freaking skincare video testing all these out. This is the Pop Beauty Peeling Zing C Exfoliating Jelly. Looks like that. The Super Cream CC Cream Creamy Moisturizer from Pop Beauty. And this is the Extra Zing C-Shot Serum. These are so cute. Oh, there's a Harry Potter ColourPop thing in here. This is the Hufflepuff Lip Balm from Fourth Ray, which is part of, oh my gosh, it smells really good. It's part of ColourPop. Okay, I love that. And this is wrapped. Wow. Also, I had never said anything, but this is from Giselle on Instagram. I will tag her and like put her name in here, and I'll put her like her information down below. And if you follow me on Instagram, I'll probably have a post maybe on my page, but it'll be on my story about like taking her, if that's easier for you. This is the Skin Olive and Enzyme Cleaner. Why does the name of that one sound so familiar? Is that, no, I was gonna say, is that Kardashian one? Holy shit. Look at these lashes. These are the Luxury Mink Lashes by Bad Angels Beauty. My goodness, can you see those? Those are gonna be fun. Those are gonna be so much fun. Okay, what else do we have? This is the Clarity Brighten It 10% lactic acid solution. It looks like this. Reminds me of a shot bottle, like the little ones you could get at the liquor store. This is the Beauty Bento, the Kaja Bouncy Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. I don't even know if anybody's gonna enjoy this video, but I like seeing the things that people have won in giveaways because it's never the same, you know? There was like something that comes in like right here, and I thought like the eyeshadow fell apart. It's not. But this is what, oh my goodness gracious, the trio looks like. Honestly, I think this is so up my mom's alley that this is probably gonna go to her, even though I would 100% use it. But those are like the go-to shades that she uses. So I'm like, this is the Shimmy Glow Loose Highlighter from MI Los Angeles. I don't even want to open it up. I think that's the color of it. Holy shit. Yeah. Okay, so it is that color. That's insane. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that because I'm pale as a fucking ghost, and I don't know if that would work. This is the Instant Fab Rainbow Sugar Tasty Lip Gloss. It looks like this. I'm going to have so much lip product on. It tastes like Skittles, to be quite honest with you. And it smells like Skittles too. So this is the Pink Lips Cherry Bomb. Let's see if I can open it. This is like really gorgeous. That's so pretty. Oh, like I said, I'm running out of room. These are the Little Secret. There's not really a name on these ones, so we made some on the inside, but these are these lashes that were included. These might end up going to my dear friend Kayla, because I know she loves bigger lashes, so if they don't work for me, they go on her. This is the Hey Honey Make a Splash Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum. It's still tiny. There's so much skincare in here. My goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Look at all these. These are all eye masks. Well, these are eye masks, and then these are all face masks from the I Do Care. I've always wanted to try that brand, so I'm so excited. There's the In the Zone, Up All Night, Time Warp, All Live About You, Unwind, and Morning Dew. So these are exciting. The thing is that I'm so scared about doing those, because anytime that I've ever used a face mask like that, my face is like breaking out, and I absolutely hate it. This is the Beloved Cherry Blossom and Tea Rose Vegan Bar Soap. Let me see. Ooh. Honestly, I might give this to my grandma because she loves bar soap. I can't do it. I need to have my pump. This is the Basic Beauty Latte and Cocoa Lip Liner Duo. Okay, let me move. That's what that looks like. There's these two shades here. There's more of like this one's darker and this one's a lot lighter. So they look like that. I think that'll be fun. I was looking at these darker lip products on ColourPop, and I feel like this is a sign to now get them now that I have lip liners for them. This is the Give Them Lala Beauty. Doesn't say anything. What is it? What is it? Hydro Matte. I'm guessing it's in Booty Call. So I'm guessing it's a lip product. Yeah. Why wouldn't you put that on? That it's a lip product on the packaging. Lala Beauty. That is what that looks like. In Booty Call, guys. In Booty Call. Don't be a booty call. You're worth more than that. This is the Long and Strong Lash Serum by Velour. I have been using, where is it? This Neutrogena one. This one. I've been loving that one, so I'm excited for that one. And this is the Perricone MD Citrus Brightening Cleanser. Oh, that came undone easily. I love when boxes are easy. It looks like this, which I'm really excited to use. Like I said, there's a lot of skincare in here. And look at my favorite part, because I knew that there was going to be palettes in here, and I'm so excited. Also, I really wanted to do this video with makeup on, but there's just no time in my schedule for like me to put a full face on and film. So you're getting me all barefaced, guys. You're getting me all barefaced. This is the Necessities eyeshadow palette. Phase Zero. It doesn't, like, I'm very confused on the brands here. Okay, Phase Zero is the brand. It looks expansive. And that is what that looks like. Is this an eyeshadow? Yeah. I was gonna say it looks a lot like a good contour palette. If you want swatches of these, don't be afraid to ask, because I'm willing if you want. And this is the Wing Me Ambitious Violet palette. Ooh, look at that purple! Look at the purple! That one has my heart so far. That's gorgeous. I'm excited to use those purples. I don't think I have a shade like that in my collection, so. And this is the one that I was most excited for when I saw it in the thing. This is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding. This is a brand that I've always wanted to try. This is an eyeshadow palette. Like, just look at how cute the packaging is. And, like, look at this. This is so cute. I mean, I'm not really a neutral fan, clearly. As literally, if you even know me, I love bright, colorful things. But this is so cute, and I love it. I love everything that I got here, so thank you, Giselle, for picking me as the winner. I love it. I love all this stuff. I'm excited to, like, dive deep into the skincare journey that you've now put me on because of all the things. Yeah, I'm so excited for all of this, and I'm so thankful that I won. I think I've won 2 giveaways this year. This one, and then the one from Dion. So yeah, I'm so excited. If you would like to see me play around with any of these things, because I'm going to be doing that at some point, you should, subscribe to my channel, say hi, like it maybe, I don't know, do something while you're here. And just a reminder, do not be racist, do not be homophobic, do not be transphobic. I promise you, it is so much easier to be a kinder, nicer human being than it is to be a dick. Do things with your time that you actually like, that make you happy, instead of just being a raging a-hole. Spread light, spread kindness, spread positivity. Don't be a dick. I don't know how many times I have to say that for people to get it through their heads. But there's a lot of bullshit going on in the world right now, and like I said, it's just a lot easier to be nicer. And drag queens aren't groomers or pedophiles. So, have a good day, have a good weekend, be safe.